Hi friends, in my earlier videos I spoke of three settings. One was aperture, the second one was shutter speed, and the last one I mentioned was ISO. I will not thread more on manual setting from on. These three settings are largely sufficient to take the best picture possible. So today I'm going to discuss about lighting. Why am I discussing lighting? Because light is what you capture through your camera. You capture lights and you capture shades. If you can understand that, you are home. You have to just focus on these two things. I will share examples based on some pictures I've taken in future, but this is where I will thread. The second point I would like to go forward on now is, while I spoke of DSLR, even in a normal context, even a mobile phone at times can take similar pictures. So studying light will not only help in taking pictures through your DSLR, but it will also help you to take pictures from your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching.